Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Air Modelers Club. I'm going to take the JAS-39 GRIPEN up again. A little windy, kind of cross breeze. A little bit, well, cross breeze down the runway. This way, runway runs east. The wind is out of the southeast, so I get a little bit of benefit of it. So I come in at this angle, I can let it slow me down, but I have to turn towards the runway. So a little bit. So I do get some benefit from the wind. I'm running a 4000 6S in her. Usually I run a 5000. I'm going to see how I like a lighter pack. Timers, let me set my timer down to, let me take a few seconds off the timer just to be on the safe side. Take it down to 3 minutes and 10 seconds. All right, cut 20 seconds off. All right, here we go. We're not doing a speed run. I don't have the GNS performance analyzer this time. I'm just gonna fly around, just enjoy myself. Thinking I like the lighter pack. Sure my gear is down. I'm up awfully high. Yeah, gear's down. It is windy.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
It is windy, but that's okay. And this plane has thrust reverse, but you really don't need it. Not with the way she high alphas in. It slows it right down. All right, so the problem is the sun's right now, so I'm trying to stay more over here from my landings. The last thing I want to do is get blinded by the sun. All right.
Gear up.
I got that one door hanging up again.
Gear down.
But you turn, sometimes you do that and you turn into the wind, and
Time remaining 1 minute.
see if I can actually land on the runway this time. There, I'll show you braking just because.
Cruise mode.
All right, got enough for one more. Or we're gonna make one more, put it that way. Not gonna put the gear up though.
20 seconds.
There you go. There we go. I tell you what, the more I fly the GRIPEN, the JAS-39 GRIPEN, the more I'm enjoying her. Of course, that's like that with any bird. You get to know them and you enjoy them more. Does have a lot of wing rock, but then again, with the way the weather is right now, the wind, it's going to happen. But my throws, my rates I'm flying is are 100% throws or 30% expo on the ailerons. On the elevator is 115 with 30 spin expo, and the rudder is 100 over 30. So, all right, well folks, that is the JAS-39 Gripen. Let's take a look at our battery, prop secured, and just see how much juice is left in the tank. All right. Not bad, 39%. Not bad at all. All right. I'll tell you, I wish that Lemon RC had, Lemon RC if you're listening, an 8-channel receiver or a 10-channel. You're saying, well, they do have a 10-channel, but with all the ports come on one side. If you had a 10-channel or an 8-channel where all the ports were on one side, plugins all on the one side, then I would have a Lemon RX in this one instead of that Spectrum. Lemon RX are just as good, the Gen 2s now, they're just as good as Spectrum, but they're like a third the price. So, all right, folks, well, thank you for watching. That is the JAS-39 Gripen, G-R-I-P-E-N, by FreeWing. I absolutely love the plane. The more I fly it, the more I love it. Bye, y'all.